Good morning, ma'am. I'm Charlie Macdi Pareha from CRI 311 code 395. In this video, I'm going to discuss the parts of microscope and its function. First, we have the eyepiece. Eyepiece lens used to magnify an image created by optical instruments such as microscope. It is typically placed at the end of the instrument closest to the viewer's eyes. This is right here. Second one is body tube. Body tube is a cylindrical component of a microscope that connects the objective lens, which is this, to the eyepiece. It provides a rigid structure and precise alignment for these optical elements, ensuring that light paths is uninterrupted and the image properly formed. So next is objective lens. An objective lens is a component of microscope that gathers lights from the specimen, which is this area right here. Next is stage clip, right here. It is a metal device used to secure a microscope slide in place on a microscope stage, which is this right here. It is typically two spring-loaded arm that can be adjusted to fit different slide size. Next is illuminator. Illuminator are devices used to provide light for viewing specimen or object in microscope and other optical instrument. They are essential for ensuring that specimen or object adequately illuminated, allowing the clear detailed observation. It is this area right here that the light came through. Next is course adjustment. Course adjustment refers to the process of moving the stage or object lens up or down to a large increment to bring the specimen into focus, which is this area right here. When you can move the stage. Next is brightness adjustment, right here. It's a feature found in many optical instruments, including microscope, that allow the user to control the intensity of the light source. This can be helpful in adjusting the image to achieve optimal viewing condition, which is right here. You can adjust the light. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.